Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a QQ account and if you're international. So what you need to do is head over to this website. You can just search for QQ registration and it will pop up, and once you click on it, it should look something like this. Now you have to first put up a nickname, so we'll do that very quickly. And then you have to put in a password. So once you put up your password, you can see that it should not contain any space, 8 to 16 characters, secure password, and you should not do anything repetitive. After you're done with that, you just have to search whatever country you're from. Let's say you're from the Christmas Island, and then you're just gonna put in your phone number. And once you do that, they click on send, and they will send you a code on your phone number to confirm it. So just put up that code over here, and then you have to click on I have read and agreed, and then click on sign up now. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.